Hi, this is Mitali Nikor, the founder of Nikor Associates, a youth led policy research think tank. Were you aware that 12% of people in India, nearly 163 million people, are currently living the day zero scenario? They don't have access to water in or in the vicinity of their homes. COVID 19 has actually increased water demand by 20 to 25% last year. And by 2030, which is less than a decade away, it is projected that India's water demand will exceed supply by 50%. But this video isn't just about water scarcity. We want to talk about a solution. The solution, staring us right in the faces, is wastewater. Countries like Israel and Singapore have proven that using wastewater is a viable technique to improve and augment water supply. Israel recycles nearly 75% of its wastewater. At this point, India is recycling about a third, but isn't reusing much of it. So, how do we push for greater wastewater use? How do we make wastewater a serious source of water supply for India? We need two things. We need to create markets for wastewater and we need public private partnerships. What do I mean by markets? Essentially, we need defined regulations, we need defined laws, rules which specify the standards to which wastewater should be purified. And second, we need pricing. We need tariffs which define how much wastewater would cost. Secondly, we need to define the users of wastewater. We need to incentivize certain groups like industries and agricultural users, as well as urban societies, to use wastewater for non potable, non drinking use. Plus, we need to incentivize public private partnerships and private sector to come in and invest in creating wastewater treatment plants. And all of this can be done. The government is focusing on wastewater through the Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0, where it's talking about urban local bodies working in city levels to create water plus ratings. The time is now. We need to push for wastewater management. We need to push for certain groups to move away from using fresh water to wastewater through PPPs. Thank you.